All right, this is at the Axis Hotel in Moline. There's a service elevator down there, but it's just another Kone. And we have more Kones here. Yay, Kone! So excited, aren't you?
Going down.
These are Ecodiscs, even better. If you can't tell, I'm being sarcastic. This is only the 30 millionth Ecodisc I've seen all week.
First floor.
At least they go kind of fast.
Going up.
And all the upper floors are locked. So we can only go to 2.
Second floor.
Smells like tasty food. I'm hungry. I'm ready for dinner anyway.
First floor. Going up.
One more look. I do like the gold chrome fixtures. Those are nice at least. But these probably were much cooler old Montgomerys before the mod. Grrr. Anyway, that's it. It smells like burnt food now.